Odot D-Series Control System Product Introduction. In the current era of rapidly advancing industrial automation and smart manufacturing, efficient and reliable remote control systems have become essential. The Odot D-Series Remote Control System, comprising the DU03 series PLCs, D-Series couplers, and D-Series I/O modules, is widely applicable in medium to large-scale conventional control, motion control, and other industrial settings. The entire D-Series control system features a removable redundant, large aperture, 1.5 square millimeter, pluggable terminal block design for efficient installation and wiring. A high-speed redundant backplane bus design reduces the data refresh cycle to 0.6 milliseconds while doubling the reliability of backplane communication. Equipped with a multifunction display screen for intuitive viewing of real-time and historical alarm information. Diagnostic information supports power-down storage and includes power supply diagnostics, communication diagnostics, terminal seating diagnostics, etc., enabling precise fault localization and significantly improving troubleshooting efficiency. High EMC performance design, with key indicators such as ESD, electrostatic discharge, EFT, electrical fast transient, and surge, lightning surge, surpassing IEC 61131-2 standard requirements, ensuring robust performance in various harsh industrial environments. Components utilize a fully domestic solution, ensuring complete autonomy and control from design and software R&D to manufacturing. Leveraging decades of company R&D experience and standardized production lines, product quality is stable and the supply chain is secure. The software, developed on the IEC's platform, is compatible with both IEC 61131-3 and IEC 61499 standards. In IEC 61499 mode, it can form a distributed control network, supporting multi-PLC load balancing and true distributed control, suitable for large-scale control systems. Supports motion control for 16 to 128 axes, enabling precise multi-axis control based on EtherCAT servos. Also supports Profinet over TS in-ring network redundancy, with future expandability for multi-PLC control redundancy, further enhancing system stability. The programming software supports both Windows and Linux operating systems, deployable on local PCs or remote servers, featuring web-based programming and installation-free debugging. Supports programming in ST, LD, FD, BD, as well as high-level languages like C and C++, facilitating IT and OT integration.